Several tests can be done after manufacturing the boards, eliminating defect boards, and controlling quality just before assembly. One of the important tools used in automated testing of boards is the flying probe. This is a machine where robotic probes fly in pairs over predefined testing points of the board, testing the board for electrical connectivity, as in detecting shorts, opens, and degradation. Flying probe can sometimes be used after assembly as well. Another method is AOI, or automated optical inspections, where boards are observed under magnifying lenses to identify degradation, faults, and misalignments. After assembling components, some issues may still arise from poor placement of components or soldering conditions. X-ray inspection, or AXI, is used to detect misalignments and soldering defects under chips. This is particularly useful for fine-pitch ball grid array packages where error tolerance is strict. Finally, functional circuit tests, or FCT, can be performed on the boards as they are operating under testing conditions. For these tests, a custom fixture is designed, tailored to the particular geometry and testing points of the board. This fixture enables fast parallel testing of the product at large volumes. So, what are the common defects we are looking for when testing? First, we are making sure that all electrical paths